to me. Come, through. Pull up in. What's Che, we know. Hi, what's up, guys? It's Liling vlogging here today. Today day 4 of Unfiltered with Kegelezo. So yeah, ke tlo vlogga dinthonyana tse mmalwanyana, I think for 2 days, and then post this vlog. So yeah, today ke tlo span today for the last day, I think, and then ke kwala spane, but I'm not going to vlog that, and then do some couple of things. I'm not sure at this point of na ke tlo etsang eng. So yeah, ke ne ke re hair le stick le nna still Unfiltered with Kegelezo, where I'm showing my day-to-day routine when I get on rural areas. Enjoy the vlogs. So guys, let's get click subscribe button, and then subscribe, and then hit the like button to like this vlog. Ne? So get support man. Get support I saw that you enjoyed the first vlog, so I decided to do the second vlog. You know, it's a vlogger from time to time from now. So yeah. Leave sharp, guys, and yeah, that'll be a view from the background now because I'm seeing a pleasant view in here. So I will answer that view. So yeah, stay decided, guys, to honor the views because let me just honor the views and check what's going on. I was so happy in my heart. I was at peace. I don't want to lie. This is what I like. I'm high. Deep. You. I change up linyana ka khemitsi. Get the wood deeper in good eyes. Ya ba ke nna yo ke khalela metsi mo ka khalela ba sekolo ka be se ke tshetse tipi ke tshetse everything mpona ke nna yo ke go kala data ya data icon tetezo ke nna no tipesa le mtsiaga so ke nna ba kana nsi so hi guys busabitse mo haile a tseba he so ke nna yo ke sa king ke tshwara e lengwe ka bongwe ke tsa bonnete ba gore ke ya tipisisa ka kenya ka hara basikomi ya kana le metsi since a le tipi ka mo ka ke tsa bonnete ba gore ha dina galane ebile a dina le gwegwe bona so yeah come through pull up in what's Che, we know. Itse qeta o tipa fela ntate ba ke a gapela wa di bona ntate ke tseo wa di bona ke tseo ke tsile le tsona ya ba ke di gapela thabeng. To my greatest shock, guys, moto ka go goile le go goile mo ke le ke tlisa pele bohloko hlanya to be hele bohloko
ke ke se se letho wa tsa wa o none ha bona hale mbona wa je ka go
mo ke la se le bonono go
ke bonono
hele
ke bonono.
Oh hi, hello guys. Then right about now I'm going to heat to thabeng to actually fetch something that is going to actually help me go tsamaisa la tseba ke tsamaisa ke hloka legala ke hloka phate ya ngaka ke hloka phefo. So I'm gonna go there and fetch these things and then come back and then ke zame ho etsa something e tlo thusa ho tsamaisa ke rela tsaka Christmas we used to do so since I think old lady Helen I used to, but now I've left alone with my sister. We have to do the same thing because kamera Christmas, but they tend to get sick because of the intotsa about nyoko and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to go to Tebing and go to fetch those. So guys, go balance my now when I'm finishing this. I get all the ones on now. Okay, concoction is wrong. O ska tsamaisa ke nyoko, o ska swa ke nyoko a ba finda tseleng ha tsela eng ka. So you guys go with me then. Yeah, process of deeper it wasn't that much hard because the so they are manageable and managed to do those things. As I told Kopela, the vlogs almost every time. Now when I get my Hesu and I'm hitting there. Go with me guys, please. What's good you guys? Ke manage lo tswa heso he ne ke tswafa ne ke ne ke tswafa ka tlo shaka mara hona tse re tlo kala thaba ha ke re le bone ke bontshitse hore re kala thaba jwang the video before this one, the clip before this one. So re kala thaba ka ga udimo go kgalagala lawo. So tsamayang le nna he guys. I hope you do enjoy this vlog ne. So guys, this cave serves a remembrance of my childhood. Oh, na go ra kara ntse ga disitsira ntse go ditse mahaeng ana. By then it was I get to know nka explain go mara nna ntse monate ya hona ne. So ntse re tsamaya le tola bona ga tlo hlolela ka mo ka hodimo ke tla bona ka mo hurry. First stop guys, go kopana le phefo. You might need it because la high less nam phefo ka Sotho as la high letletseng. So hurry gen leon ke lona wa jene ke remember ba itse go ga go batla go kopana le phefo. So yeah guys, o holenyana. Nothing nicer than finding out that when I come back, my sister have cooked my best favorite meal. Like, what do you mean? Ore ke temo ke phofolo o mo be ka tsona ntho tsena. Ba ka sheba ba hotel. Ntho tseno o mo. Ha o ikemiseditse o le shoka sto sa hao. Ke mrate ke a hlanya. Be ka mang ka ututu. Be man ka ututu.
Ba di bele mane ke bona hantle.
Oh girl swa. O bona ke. Ha o ntwe bang ha o e bone hantle se ntong. Yo, tsa se ka tsena mo girl.
He wena.
Ai wa trend.
Ai
yo ntwe.
Yo. Ya thusa ya tse.
Tsana di a thusetsa shi. Nna ke a bona nna tse. Ke a bona.
Ka thusa di booking ha go. Ka go isa ba se siqelo ya.
Ha ke di tloela. So di kala go di tloela.
Yo, di palotse e ka ga di ditša.
Oh, guys, after the conversation that we had with my mother's child, I remember talking. I still have to work, so ke tlosa majwa ke ba la hlola fatitseo I Lucia and just doing untend at some money. So it's a lot of work. I don't lie, and wrapping them and making sure that they are good and di hlaolehile hantle la bona ke se ke hlaotse mo ke tlotsa metedi ka bodimo. So yeah, it was breathtakingly amazing. a re until I